Stacy is making $100,000 per year. If you want to make money like this, watch this video till end. Welcome to day 25 of our 30 days series. Here's a detailed guide on how you can start this profitable venture, focusing specifically on using AI to generate designs and leveraging Printify and other online platforms to sell your products. Additionally, we'll cover how to use Flare.ai to create promotional pictures that will help market your pillows effectively. First, let's discuss generating pillow designs using AI. Tools like Dolly and Midjourney are excellent for this purpose. These AI tools can create stunning and unique designs based on text prompts. For instance, you can input descriptions like floral patterns with vibrant colors or abstract geometric shapes in pastel hues, and the AI will generate beautiful, high-resolution images that can be used as pillow designs. Spend some time experimenting with different prompts to see what styles resonate with you and could appeal to your target market. Once you have a collection of designs, it's time to move to the next step, preparing them for print. Next, you'll need to ensure your AI-generated designs are print-ready. This involves resizing the images to fit the standard dimensions for pillow covers, typically 16 by 16 inches or 18 by 18 inches. Use image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to make these adjustments. Make sure your designs have a resolution of at least 300 dpi to ensure they print clearly and look professional. With your designs ready, it's time to upload them to Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. Start by creating an account on Printify and setting up your store. You can integrate Printify with your existing e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce to streamline the selling process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the product creation section and select the pillow options. Upload your designs, adjust the placement, and preview how they will look on the actual products. After setting up your product listings on Printify, you want to create compelling product descriptions and titles. Use keywords that your potential customers might search for, such as custom pillow, unique pillow designs, or decorative throw pillows. Write engaging descriptions that highlight the uniqueness of your designs, the quality of the materials, and how these pillows can enhance a home's decor. High-quality images of your pillows are crucial for attracting buyers. To further enhance your product listings, use Flare.ai to create stunning promotional pictures. Flare.ai is an AI-powered tool that helps you generate professional-looking product images for marketing purposes. Upload your pillow designs to Flare.ai and choose from various templates and styles to create eye-catching promotional images.
Once your products are listed and your promotional images are ready, it's time to market your pillows. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs. Create visually appealing posts and stories, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. You can also collaborate with influencers or home decor bloggers to promote your products. Offering discount codes or running giveaways can generate interest and attract more followers to your store. Additionally, consider investing in targeted advertising on social media platforms to reach potential customers who are interested in home decor and unique pillow designs. Expanding your reach beyond Printify, consider listing your products on other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Society6, and Zazzle. Each platform has its own user base and market reach, giving you the opportunity to attract different types of customers. These platforms also handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on creating more designs and marketing your products. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line to include other home decor items such as blankets, curtains, and wall art. Using the same AI tools, you can generate designs for these products and list them on Printify and other print-on-demand platforms. Diversifying your product offerings can attract a broader audience and increase your overall revenue. Another important aspect to consider is analyzing your sales data and customer feedback. Use the analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platforms and print-on-demand services to track your sales performance, identify popular designs, and understand customer preferences. This data can help you make informed decisions about which designs to create and how to improve your marketing strategies. Continuously experimenting with new designs and promotional tactics can keep your business fresh and engaging for your customers. Making money online by creating and selling AI-generated pillow designs is a viable and lucrative business opportunity in 2024. By leveraging powerful AI tools to generate unique designs, using print-on-demand services like Printify to produce and sell your products, and utilizing Flare.ai for professional promotional images, you can build a successful online store. Focus on creating high-quality designs, optimizing your product listings, and effectively marketing your pillows to attract a wide audience. With dedication and creativity, you can turn this innovative approach into a profitable venture. Remember to stay engaged with your customers, analyze your sales data, and continuously improve your business strategies to achieve long-term success.